Hey guys, so I'm going to be taking these Ardell Wispy 113 lashes, and today we're going to be beefing these up. I got this tip from Hirsch, the Salon Perfect individual lashes, and I'll just be placing these on the lashes and these little extras over here too. You will also need a tweezers to grab the lashes, and some scissors because we will be cutting down the lashes to my lash size. And as for the glue, we will be using the Salon Pro 30-second Super Hair Bond Glue to glue the lashes. So if you guys want to see this video, then please stay tuned. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off by measure these to the size of your lash. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this one and this one here, and I'm going to add these two onto this lash here. So let's begin. Lashes look like this. As you can see, I cut off the ends there, so they're much more shorter, the same size as my actual lashes now. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is glue on extra lashes to volumize these lashes. Got my little glue here. I'm gonna set that to the side. I have my lashes, the tweezers, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna take this one here first. If you can see. Dip that in. And place that on top of the lash there. Like so. So far, guys, this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it looks a bit fuller now than sparse. And now we're going to go ahead and move to the inner area with the shorter ones. Bringing on the shorts because I only have one more medium left. And I'm going to go ahead and add all these on there. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead. They have dried. They're dry now. Lashes are dry. And I'm going to go ahead and peel